I'll guide you through how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now as you can see on my phone, I have two WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you two methods. If the first one does not work, then you are going to use the second one. So watch the video to the very end. So first thing you need to do is to go to your settings, go to your phone settings. Then on the search for dual app. Now if you do not see dual app, then you need to search for clone app. Now if still you do not see the setting for clone app, then you need to search for app twin. Now as you can see mine is having app twin. So it depends with the phone that you are using. For me, I'm using Huawei. So if you can find dual app, then use the dual app. If you can find clone app, then use clone app. For me, I found app twin. So just tap on it. So in order to use two apps, then you need to open. You need to open the button. You need to open the button. As you can see mine, the button of WhatsApp is open. That's why you have seen that I'm using. If you go back, you'll see that I have two WhatsApp. So as you can see guys, this WhatsApp is different from this one. So you see, these are two different accounts with two different numbers. So if you want to use two different WhatsApp with two separate numbers, then you need to search for dual app, clone app, or app twin in your search settings. So if that one does not work, and if you cannot find dual app or clone app or app twin in your settings, then you need to go to the second method, which I'm going to show you. So in the second method, you need to go to Play Store. Just open Play Store. Then go to search. Then on the search for parallel space. Then you will see it there, parallel space, app cloning. So once you've downloaded this app and installed it in your phone, just click on open. Then agree and continue. Then continue. Then allow. Then allow only while using the app. Then allow. Then just tap on start. So as you can see guys, these apps have already been selected. As you can see, WhatsApp has been selected, and you can use all these apps if you want to use two apps in your phone. So select the app that you'll want to use, dual apps. So as you can see, I've selected WhatsApp only. Now I'll just click add to parallel space. Then accept. So as you can see there, I have only WhatsApp. So in order to use this WhatsApp, just click on WhatsApp. Now you are going to enter your detail. Just click on next. Then agree and continue. So here you are going to add your details. You are going to use separate number, separate details. You are just creating a new WhatsApp account that is separate from the ones that we've seen here from your normal WhatsApp. So this account will be separate and different from your normal WhatsApp. So in order to use it, will be opening it, and you will be opening it from here. And that's how you can simply use two WhatsApp in one phone. So if this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.